G'day, Andrew from Miss Smooth 3D. We're back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to do something a little bit different. Side hustle 3D print business has been a bit slow, so I decided to print something for me today, so let's get into it. So I was watching Kevin and Rosie's live feed from Creality and noticed Kevin's Tooned Volkswagen bus. I found that on MakerWorld and decided to do something a little bit different. I loaded the roof and the bus body into Tinkercad, added a solid base to the bottom of the bus chassis and cut a hole in the roof. Now it's a planter. The cool things you can do with 3D printing. A close up. So much camber on those wheels. Looks so cool. The designer has captured all the details of the Volkswagen bus. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any friends that may enjoy this content, feel free to share. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future content. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.